Hello and good evening, friends. My name is Shantanu Vaidya. I am here with the new video topic. My today's video topic is difference between finally, and finalizer. So, what are these three, and what kind of difference are there in between these three in Java? So, let's start with the today's video topic. First one is final. Final is a keyword and which is used with the help of class, variable name, or any kind of class name. Second one, that is finally. Finally is a method in the exception handling process in Java. Third one is finalizer. Again, finalizer is also a method which called during uh, during the cleanup process in your in your multi-threading. So these three are the different work scenarios. These three are all three are keywords, but there is a difference in that, and there is a functionality. All the functionalities of these three are different from each other. So let's see the difference between all these three. First one is that uh, when used and where to use. Final. Final is the keyword and which is used before any kind of variable name or method name or class name. With the help of that, you can create a constant variable. First one is that if you use final keyword in front of variable, that variable is going to be constant. It means that variable's value cannot be changed. Second one, if you put a final in front of your class, then your class is going to be um, then your class is not going to be inherit by any kind of other subclass. And third one is that if you put the any kind of final keyword in your method, then your method is also not going to be extend or implement by any other kind of class or method. So this is the working of final. Second one is that finally is a method which is used in exception handling process. That means it is dependent on try and catch block. Basically, finally method is executed in the term of your exception will occur. Otherwise, your exception will not occur. Finally, method is going to be execute the important part of your code, which is going to be execute necessarily if there is any exception occurs, or is there not any exception. So this is the working of finally method. And third one is that finalizer. Finalizer is again a cleanup method, and finalizer method is going to be execute before your object is going to be destroyed, or before your object is going to be get through garbage collector. So these three are different functionalities, and these three are their important functionalities. Third one is that difference between or the example of these three. First one is final keyword. Final is abstract. Is um, uh, final is a keyword which is going to be used for creating a non-abstract method or non non-executable, non-implementable class is the main important function of the final method or final keyword. Second one is finally. Finally is going to be used if you want your code is going to be execute anyhow. In that particular code is going to be put in finally method. And third one is that finalizer. If there is a two type of use for finalizer method. First one is that default finalizer method. It means inbuilt finalizer method can be called by garbage collector, or otherwise you can call invoke that finalizer method by using cleanup method. So this is all about these three differences, like final, finally, and finalizer. And this is the main differences of them. And this is all about my video topic. Thank you so much.